that. Hi, we're the Whitaker Brothers, and today we're deep frying a turkey, and we're going to do it under an hour. It's going to be fast, crispy, and tasty. So come join me right here on Soul TV Fun Recipes.
Let's go. You lay it in here.
After you're done defrosting your turkey, I went to the store and I brought myself some rotisserie seasoning, and I rubbed it all around the turkey, top and bottom. And if you don't want to use rotisserie chicken, use any kind of favorite seasoning you have. Just add it on an hour or two before you get ready to fry it.
Like this. Okay. So you're gonna lay it in just like that.
Alright, we got our pre-seasoned turkey. Our deep fryer's at 375. And we're ready to put it into the deep fryer. So we're gonna go ahead and raise our lid up. There's an open latch here. See right there. The shape of the, make sure the shape, the molding is the same that you're gonna drop it in, because you do not want to drop it in backwards. So let's go ahead and do this very carefully. Here we go. Drop in slow, 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 slow. Don't latch it. Close it. Like I said, drop it in very slow. And once you get past that part, the rest is just sitting and letting it deep fry. So we're gonna go ahead and fry this for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna pull it out. We're gonna check the temperature. Okay, let's go ahead and first we're gonna do is shut this part off to 0. This is unplugged. I got it unplugged. It's gonna be a while.
It looks beautiful though.
So we're all done frying our turkey. It looks delicious. What do you think? How do you think it came out?
Crispy and tasty, just the way I like it.
Well, you know what? Look at this. We got some big man-sized pieces here. I can't wait to take a bite. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'll toast to that.
Let's toast it out.
Okay, now that we got our turkey fried, what do you want to do for the holidays?
For the holidays?
The holidays.